Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming storage and making quick choices. Check iPhone settings, general iPhone storage, and settings Apple ID iCloud to see available space. Make sure iOS is updated and your device is charging. If you pick iCloud, stay on Wi-Fi. If you pick a computer, connect with a lightning cable and open Finder or iTunes. Once connected, toggle off unnecessary app data in iCloud Backup to shrink the backup size and start the backup now. Now you act to reduce payload and perform a robust backup. Remove or offload apps you rarely use and delete large video files or duplicates. Photos can be heavy. On a Mac or PC, choose Finder or iTunes, select your device, check Encrypt iPhone Backup to save passwords and health data, then click Backup Now. While it runs, clear messages, attachments, and app caches to further shrink size. This makes the transfer faster and ensures critical data is preserved locally. Finish by verifying and protecting your backup. On iCloud, confirm the backup shows date and size in settings. On Finder/iTunes, view the backup list and check timestamps. If you still lack space, remove outdated device backups or buy iCloud Plus for more storage. Make sure to export any critical photos or files to your computer or external drive as an extra copy. If a backup fails, try a new cable, restart your iPhone and computer. Sign out and back into Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.